How to bypass Windows 11 TPM requirements. Method 1. Bypass Windows 11 TPM requirement with registry tweaks. Boot up your Windows 11 installation media. Hold down Shift plus F10 keys to open command prompt. In command prompt, type regedit and press enter. Navigate to HKey local machine /system /setup. Right-click the setup key, select New, and click Key. Name the new key lab config and save it. Right-click the lab config key, select New, and click D-Word 32-bit value. Name the new value bypass TPM check and save it. Right-click the bypass TPM check value and click Modify. Set the value data to 1 and click OK. Right-click the lab config key again, select New, and click D-Word 32-bit value. Name the new value bypass secure boot check and save it. Right-click the bypass secure boot check value and click Modify. Set the value data to 1 and click OK. To bypass RAM requirements, right-click the lab config key yet again, select New, and click D-Word 32-bit value. Name the new value bypass RAM check and save it. Right-click the bypass RAM check value and click Modify. Set the value data to 1 and click OK. Close the registry editor and command prompt and proceed with your Windows 11 installation. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Method 2. Bypass Windows 11 TPM requirement with Rufus. Open your web browser and go to the Rufus download page. Under Latest Releases, click the most recent release download link. The latest version is 4.5 at the time of writing, which supports extended Windows 11 image support. Run Rufus once it's downloaded. Insert a blank 16 GB or larger USB flash drive into your computer. Select the USB device you want to create a Windows 11 image on. Check that boot selection shows disk or ISO image. Open the Select drop-down menu and select Download. Then, click the Download button. Open the version menu, select Windows 11, and click Continue. Open the Release menu, select the latest version, and click Continue. Open the Edition menu, select your preferred edition, and click Continue. Open the Language menu, select your preferred language, and click Continue. Open the Architecture menu and select x64. Click Download. Choose where to save the ISO file and click Save. The download will take some time to complete. Click Start. In the Windows User Experience dialog, ensure the Remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0 option is marked, and click OK. Click OK to confirm the formatting of your USB flash drive. Wait for the bootable USB flash drive to be created. The process may take some time. Once done, the USB flash drive can be used to install Windows 11 on your officially unsupported computer. Then, you can run the Windows 11 installation setup to upgrade from your currently installed operating system or boot from the USB flash drive to perform a clean installation. Note that you may need to disable Secure Boot in your BIOS. Method 3. Bypass Windows 11 TPM requirement from Windows Update. Open your web browser and go to the Skip TPM check on Dynamic Update.cmd GitHub page. You can find the link in our article linked in the video description. Click Copy Raw File in the upper right corner of the code window. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type Notepad and Run, and click OK. Right-click inside Notepad and click Paste. Click File in the menu bar and click Save As. Name the file skip_tpm_check.cmd. Open the Save As Type menu and select all files. Click Save. Then, right-click skip_check.cmd and click Run as administrator. You will get a message saying, Skip TPM on Dynamic Update installed. Windows will now be able to upgrade to Windows 11. Method 4. Bypass Windows 11 TPM with Microsoft's official registry tweak. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type regedit in Run and click OK. Before modifying the Windows registry, create a backup. Click File and select Export. Choose where to save the backup and create a name. Then, click Save. In the registry editor, navigate to HKey local machine /system /setup /mo setup. Select the mo setup key. In the right pane, right-click the Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU value and click Modify. Set the value data to 1 and click OK. If the Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU is not present, create it. Right-click the Mo Setup key, select New, and click DWORD 32-bit value. Name the new value Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU and save it. Right-click the Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU value and click Modify. Set the value data to 1 and click OK. Close the registry editor and restart your PC. You will now be able to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 using a bootable USB flash drive. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and big files finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.